Hello, hi everybody, Midnight here, and I want to bring you guys a review, and the review that I want to bring you guys on is the review on the Nintendo Switch. I'm going to tell you about the perks of this device, what it's worth, and how it fits into my busy schedule, and whether you should get yourself a Nintendo Switch or not. First of all, I love this thing to death. It is Nintendo's best console ever created. I would say Nintendo has definitely outdone themselves when they made the Nintendo Switch. This thing is really good because it's a console, but it's portable enough for you to take everywhere. You can play your games anywhere, anytime, anywhere. And it's small, and that's what I really like about it. And it can switch from portable mode to tabletop mode and in the dock station. So, anyway, the screen it's about 5 inches. It's awesome in portable mode. I have played it in dock mode, but it looks way more better in portable mode than it does in the dock. It's way better in portable mode. And the Joy-Cons, I would say the Joy-Cons are a little bit small. So are the buttons. But the only way it's gonna really defect if you have really big hands, like myself. And other than that, it's not too much to deal with it. But it's beautiful. It's like I said, it's Nintendo's best thing ever created. Turn it on. And here's the home screen, guys. This is the home screen of the Nintendo Switch. And the best part that I like about this is my favorite game is coming on this thing. And that is going to be really badass because I'm going to be able to play my very favorite game of all time anywhere. Now, I can't also do that on my computer because it's also on the PC, but my computer is a little big and a little bit bulky to take around. This thing right here is a little bit more portable, a little bit more small. It has great speakers. It has great speakers in it. I have not tried the headphone jack yet. I think I have, but I'm pretty sure it has really good sound in it. That's where the card goes. Right here, if you look, and this is the size of the cartridges of the Nintendo Switch. Really puny, but small. It's amazing how Nintendo has went back to cartridges, especially because this one is the size of an SD card. But I recommend you do not taste this because Nintendo has put some type of a chemical benzene on the cartridge. And that's only to prevent little kids from swallowing it. So if you lick it, it's going to have the most bitter taste in the entire world. So I recommend you do not put these in your mouth. So other than that, you got your home screen. You have news. You have Nintendo eShop, you have albums, you have controls, you have settings, and you have sleep mode. So, I'm going to go to news. Here we go, right here. And there you can see Okami HD launches on Nintendo Switch this summer. this is what I'm really excited about.
An epic tale returns with new artistic touches. Okami, the grand adventure in classical Japanese style, rises again in the HD version. To save the land from a terrible curse, the legendary Okami Amaterasu was resurrected, setting off on a quest with the wandering artist Isu. Overcome challenges using the power of the gods, the celestial brush. With mere brush strokes, you can make a variety of miracles come to fruition. In the Nintendo Switch version, use touchscreen control in handheld mode, or use the Joy-Con controller's motion controls in TV mode or tabletop mode. Both methods offer an intuitive way to solve puzzles and defeat your foes. Meet an eclectic cast, solve mysteries, and slay countless monsters to discover what awaits at your journey's end. Okami HD launches on Nintendo eShop on Nintendo Switch this summer. An epic tale.
So that's about it, everybody. I would say this is like if you have a very busy schedule, you don't really have much time to play at home, and you're always out and about. This works excellent if you have a very busy schedule, such as myself, because I can just take my Switch with me. I can play it at work, I can play it on my break, I can play it in the car while I'm waiting for someone. It's so portable and it's so convenient. Like I said, this is Nintendo's best idea. The only thing is, I wish the buttons were a little bit bigger. They are a little bit smaller, but other than that, that's the only downside about it. But it's very lightweight. Doesn't even weigh that much. But other than that, that's it. It's I believe it's 720p and portable mode, and it's in 1080p on your big screen on your TV. So that's it. And Breath of the Wild is actually really excellent, very excellent on this system. Ikaruga is coming to Nintendo Switch. I have Doom, Mario Odyssey, Pinball FX3, Tachyon, Sparklet, what is that? Strikers, Dear God, and that's all software because I have a lot of games downloaded on the system. So I hope this review has helped you to decide if you actually want to get a Nintendo Switch. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and as always, may the spirit of the will be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay, everyone, bye.